Have you ever opened a letter that looked official, but something just felt a little off, making you wonder if it was truly legitimate? In today's world, it is more important than ever to be able to tell the difference between real and fake communications, especially when it comes to your financial matters. To confirm your Internal Revenue Service mail is authentic, the most reliable method is to cross-reference the information with official Internal Revenue Service channels, primarily by visiting the agency's official.gov website or contacting them directly through their official phone numbers. Never trust contact information provided in the suspicious letter itself. This immediate verification step helps protect you from potential scams and fraud. The Internal Revenue Service communicates with taxpayers primarily through physical mail, sending notices for various reasons like tax changes, audit notifications, or balance due reminders. Scammers often mimic these official communications to trick individuals into revealing personal information or sending money. Understanding the Internal Revenue Service's official communication practices and how to verify them is your first line of defense. Remember, the Internal Revenue Service will typically send several notices about a tax issue by mail before initiating phone contact. First, examine the letter carefully for common red flags such as poor grammar, misspellings, or unusual formatting. Genuine Internal Revenue Service letters always use standard fonts and professional language. Second, look for specific identifiers. Authentic Internal Revenue Service notices will usually include a notice or letter number, often found on the top right or left corner, and a clear reason for the correspondence. Next, independently find the official Internal Revenue Service website, which is IRS.gov, or locate their official contact numbers in a trusted source like their official website, not from a search engine result that could be compromised. Once you have a verified contact number, call the Internal Revenue Service directly to inquire about the letter you received. Be ready to provide the notice or letter number if available. Do not use any phone numbers or website addresses printed on the suspicious document. Finally, remember that the Internal Revenue Service will not demand immediate payment over the phone, threaten to send local police, or request payment using gift cards, wire transfers, or cryptocurrency. These are definitive signs of a scam. A genuine Internal Revenue Service notice will never ask you for your personal identification number, password, or similar confidential access information. They also do not send unsolicited emails, texts, or social media messages asking for personal or financial information. These digital communications are almost always phishing attempts. Being aware of these specific do-nots from the Internal Revenue Service helps you spot sophisticated scams that might otherwise seem convincing. By understanding the key characteristics of official Internal Revenue Service correspondence and proactively verifying any questionable mail through independent and trusted channels, you empower yourself to confidently distinguish authentic notices from fraudulent attempts. This approach not only safeguards your personal and financial information, but also ensures you respond appropriately to legitimate tax matters, maintaining your peace of mind.